The growth of the pollen tube in angiosperms utilizes positive chemotropism. Positive chemotropism is the growth towards a chemical signal. When the pollen from one flower reaches the stigma of another flower, the pollen begins growing down into the pistil towards the ovary so that fertilization can occur. This happens due to the chemical signal produced by the stigma, which stimulates the growth of the cells in the pollen granule. The pollen tube growth begins when a compatible pollen grain lands in the stigma of a flower. The stigma then produces a sugary solution which stimulates the germination of the pollen grain. Lipids in the style then stimulate the pollen tube growth down into the style towards the ovary. When the pollen tube reaches the ovary, fertilization can occur. This gives angiosperms a distinct advantage over ferns or mosses, as water is not needed for fertilization, meaning angiosperms can grow taller and can grow in environments where water is scarce.